What's up guys, you're watching the Situ, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and a like. And today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is WS-117176-3. There may be a problem with the two-step verification settings. So I'm just going to share my screen on the left side. Here we are at the screen, and let's go to the settings. How to fix the two-step verification is a user and accounts, and then go to the security. And how to add a two-step verification, set a two-step verification or a passkey. Here we go to security, and then here's the passkey. You can set it here as a deactivated, and you can set the mobile number also. Two-step verification also deactivated. You can active by text message, added a number, and the authorized app, your PS Plus app on your phone. And when you just try to sign in, you will get the pop-up on your app, and you just approve it if you are. So simply, that's how you can add a two-step verification, set a two-step verification, or sometimes your two-step verification is deactivated and you can activate it. Simply, that's how you can do it. If you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box and catch you later.